Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to have you here today. If you are new, sure to hit the subscribe button and join our healthy living family. Today I want to share with you a very powerful drink that you can make at home using only 3 natural ingredients. I do have a bunch of spinach. I have a lemon. I have a Gochet, or you can call it bitter gourd, though it's similar with the cucumber. It is not cucumber, it is Gochet or bitter gourd. I only need these 3 ingredients for me to fulfill my slimming process. For sure, this drink is super easy to make, and it's refreshing, and it's one of the best natural ways you can burn fat and support weight loss with no energy. We are going to start our step 1. My first step, I'll start with a leaf of fresh spinach. As you can see, I have a bunch. I just need 1 leaf of spinach. Spinach is very low in calories, but it has high fiber, which help us to feel full for long. That means you won't be reaching for snacks in between the meals. It's also, let's wash, it's also improves digestion and important for the body because it has vitamins and minerals. And when you are trying to slim down, the fiber in it's gonna help us. As you can see, I'm cleaning my 1 leaf of spinach from a bunch of spinach. As you can see, my spinach is clean. I'm going to put it aside. My second process is my Gochet here, or you can call it bitter gourd. Don't be don't avoid not to take bitter gourd because of the name. Next, I just need a half of my bitter gourd, and bitter gourd, it's amazing, and its health benefits is to regulate blood sugar, and it boosts metabolism, and it may aid in fat loss. Therefore, let's wash it. Though it's similar to cucumber, if you don't know, you can confuse bitter gourd with cucumber. It's already washed. I'm going to take my knife and cut a half of my bitter gourd. You need. This is my lemon. Lemon, it's fully rich in vitamin C, and it helps to detoxify the body and support liver function, and this can help with fat breakdown. So when you combine lemon, my bitter gourd, and spinach leaf, all these will hydrate the body and support weight loss naturally and help in detoxification. Therefore, we are going to start the process of chopping our lemon, spinach and bitter gourd, and put everything into a blender and blend it. I'm going to chop my spinach, a leaf of spinach, and transfer it to my blender jar. Lastly, I'm gonna chop my lemon. As you can see, I'm cutting it into two. I'm taking just a slice for garnishing, for decorating my glass. I've chopped my lemon into half. Therefore, I'm going to add the juice, the lemon juice, directly into my blender. I'm going to chop my bitter gourd, as you can see, and add it into my blender. If you like, after blending, you can strain the juice or consume everything fully with the fiber. I'm going to add lemon juice directly into my blender. Don't worry about the seed, it will all be blended up. Let's add another half of my lemon and squeeze the juice. I'm going to add a glass of water and cover my blender and start the blending process. Therefore, let's blend. Our juice is ready. Therefore, I'm just going to transfer my juice directly into my glass. I'm not going to strain it. If you like, you can strain it, you personally. And I like my juice when it is slightly lighter. This is my glass, and let's pour. Guys, our juice is ready. Combination of lemon, spinach, and bitter gourd. This juice, our juice is ready, as you can see. This juice, you can take it on an empty stomach, or you can take it 30 minutes before meal. 30 minutes timing helps in digestion, it reduces cravings, and it gives a metabolism to boost and try to maintain this pattern consistently for better results. Thank you guys for watching. If you try this drink, let me know in the comments. what the result you see. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend who want to slim down naturally, and subscribe to my channel for more healthy and easy tips. Stay consistent. Sorry, I was taking the juice, never mind. Guys, you have to stay consistent, stay hydrated, and be patient with your body. Until next time, bye and be well.